Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a new vid today, man. Finally putting the airlines in today after freaking like a whole month of freaking taking forever. So today we're putting the airlines in. I'm gonna go through step by step how to do it. Honestly, it's my first time doing it, but I got my brother to help me to put these airlines in because this is the second time doing these airlines, because he did it in his Mark IV and now he did it in his other car on his GLI Mark 6. So let's get to this. All right, guys, so I have the airlines right here. I got, what was it, 60 feet? Oh, I got 30 feet for, because it's 15 and 15 on each side. So, but obviously my car is smaller. I don't know if you guys have the 4-door or 2-door, you know. So make sure to measure your things, measure your car. Don't get 30 feet like me, because my car is a 2-door and it's small, you feel me? So, but hopefully I have enough thing. Hopefully I measured it good and everything. So bear with me. I'm gonna try to get as detailed as possible. You can try to do this yourself if you guys are gonna do it, but I hope I don't mess nothing up. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is there's a little drain plug right here. As you see, there's a screwdriver in there my brother put in. So where that screwdriver leads to, basically under the car, right, you guys see the flathead right there? So that drain plug leads right there. And so we're gonna put the airlines through there, bring it all the way to this side, and obviously the bag's gonna be right here where the spring is at. And I think there's another drain plug on that side as well, and then that side will go to that side, you feel me? So if you guys need to know where to put the airlines at, right through there. But also make sure that your exhaust is not in the way. Yeah, manifold's gonna be right over there. So we got it, we pulled it. Make sure to just leave a little bit extra just in case, because when you put the bags in, you want to make sure everything is good, and with the manifold and all that. So we got it through, we just pulled it right through, which is easy. And as you see the line right there, what?
You gotta mark these so we know.
Damn boy, you got white stuff in your face.
You heard?
What?
You gotta mark what's left and what's right, rear, and all that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, make sure to mark your things, guys, so you guys know what's left, right, and when you connect it to the manifold, you know, it's not all mixed up. And then when it, goes through the controller and all that. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The past couple days, yo, I've been so sick. I got an allergic reaction to shrimp the other day. Woo! I was throwing up everywhere, guys. I think it was horrible. But I'm back. I'm ready to go to do these freaking bags. All right, guys. So we got the other side up because we have to run the airline through. You have to have the front wheel up so you can. Well, we don't have to take the cover off yet, because I'm not gonna install it. I'm not gonna put it in the bag yet. But when you put the bag in and everything, you have to take the cover off. But under here, under the car, there's a plastic thing, and I'm gonna run the airlines under that plastic thing, and then up into the fender, area. You guys see this little plastic thing right there? That's where I'm gonna run it under until I get all the way to the front, and then, and make sure to secure your secure your airline. So when freaking, since if you're not gonna put it today, just make sure everything's secured and it's not gonna go anywhere or not gonna get burnt by the exhaust or anything. All these little bolt things, weird little bolts, they're all 10s. But this is the plastic thing I'm talking about, guys, that you're gonna run it under. It just falls down and then it goes all the way straight to the front. Alright, guys, so we got the airline right through here, and when you do it, just put it under. You see how the line is right there? Just put it all under, and then when you're done, screw it back up, and it'll be protected from the ground and all that. But then, damn, I should never. But back here, you're gonna pull the airline through, and it's gonna just come straight up, and it'll just be sitting right here for now until you get the bag in and all that. Okay, so basically this side right here is done. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be harder than that, but it's really not that hard. It's just having the correct length, because honestly, I don't even know if I have enough length for this side, to be real with you. So hopefully I do, but it's not that bad, guys. I thought it was gonna be way harder than expect it. Okay, so we're getting started on this side, and
Let me get that.
low key, I've been kind of holding off because I remember in one of the old videos, my older videos, I told you guys about my what was it, the wheel bearing. I stripped the rears because I had spacers in the back way before, and the bolts were too short, and it was stripping it. So that's why I kind of been like, I kind of don't want to take my back wheel off and then mess it up more and stuff. But it's fine for now. But so we got the rear. My bad. We got the line in. Hopefully it's enough, because honestly, I don't think I'm gonna have enough for the rear, because I'm probably just gonna shoot this rest of it to the front, and probably get some more for the rear. I don't need that much for the rear, honestly. But also another issue that I have with this side is I don't have a fender liner, like a cover, so I'm gonna have to invent some stuff to get it, just have the line sitting in there so it doesn't, be all dangly and stuff. Guys, I can't wait to get these bags in, I'm getting like hype about it now. But this process is kind of easy. You feels me? Y'all feels me? So I got the manifold ready, so I could measure everything. And I don't even know where I'm gonna put the manifold. Honestly, I'm probably gonna just put it like directly in the middle of the trunk.
Hey, yo, move that wire. I know what you prefer.
Hold this. Said move the wire. But yeah, guys, the bags are coming. Next step, let's put the bags in. I'm done. And I'm gonna have a nice little edit for y'all. You feel me? I have to make a nice little edit, nice little video when I get the bags in. Ooh, I just wanna be clean. But yeah, guys, let's get this done. I'm hot. I feel like poop. Take care of yourselves. Don't eat shrimp. You'll be like me, throwing up and all types of things. So done. Literally, we did the same thing for the other side, which was just run the lines all the way under that plastic thing I showed you guys, and then through the cover liner, and then just have it chilling back there. And then the back is just zip tied close to the rear springs, and then it should be good. And then obviously the things are gonna be all open and stuff like that. Yo! Damn, I'm trying to record my video, man. So yeah, guys, so the rears are in, the front is in. Now I'm probably gonna put the manifold like right there or something. And then you see how I marked these things? I put a little tape around it. So the ones with the tapes are the rear ones, so I know. And then these two right here are the front. And yeah, guys, so now basically all I gotta do is put the bags in, finally. So let's get this freaking airbag project done, guys. So I'm probably gonna put the manifold like right here, or I don't know if I should put it up like this or have it the other way. I really don't know. We're gonna see. But so basically I'm gonna have that set up so when I put the bags in, I'll have to do that. And then the air compressor is going on top next to the tank, so it's not down here and stuff, because I also have to put my spare back in here. So I have to figure out how to fix all this up. Whoa.
We gotta make sure you should cut good.
Oh yeah, make sure your lens are cut straight and not at an angle, because if you guys cut it at an angle, man, you're gonna start leaking air, because that happened to my brother. So make sure your things are cut good. So I'm gonna put the manifold, these holes facing downward, because these lines aren't long as like these. So it's gonna bend the airline a little bit, but forget it, it'll be straight. But yeah, guys, make sure they're cut good. All right, guys, so for the airlines, you have to push them in, man, and then pull on it, and you're gonna see like the little gray cap thing have a little like gap in between it, between the bronze thing as well. And then make sure that it's like locked in there so that things don't pop out and doesn't leak air. Just so if you guys don't know that, you feels me. But look, that's how I'm gonna have it. Or yeah, like that. All right. Damn, doesn't bad like a mud. I mean, it's not bad. Actually, yeah, it's actually not that bad.
Yo,
let me show you. Hold on, I gotta hold these things real quick. To a little issue, man. The spare tire is on the line, so we're trying to invent something to like lift the spare tire.
what's
up.
that little thing that spin?
You know.
Bro, I'm about to say it's these bitches like this.
And what?
What is it?
Sorry, play back.
Let's see, let's put this. They take this shit out. They spin this.
Oh, I know what you mean. Spin it. Alright, that's straight.
Oh no, let's see.
Just some ghetto stuff. So we put the little star thing that screws on top here, under, and then the wood. I have a piece of wood that's right down there, so it doesn't move so much when you're driving. So yeah, it's chilling, but it's still kind of pulling on the airline. So I don't know. I'll probably invent something later on. See if I could get it lifted a little bit. But yeah, guys, we're done. We're done. Was I mad? Boy, your face is dirty. Boy, mad. I don't know why. I hope you guys enjoyed the vid, man. Finally got the airlines in after like a whole month. You feel me? Huh? Oh yeah, I got an AC filter. I'm gonna put that real quick because my other one's probably donezo. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the vid, man. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one, which is going to be the bags, guys. Finally, the bags are going to go in. So peace out, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Have a great day. Peace out.